हेलो वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। सो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको डिजिटल लॉकर के बारे में बताऊंगा। ओके, जैसे हम गोल्ड को लॉकर में रखते हैं वैसे ही हमारे जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो सर्टिफिकेट्स है हम उसको डिजिटल लॉकर में सेव कर सकते हैं और इसको डिजी लॉकर भी बोलते हैं। सो ये गवर्नमेंट का एक वेबसाइट है। सो द वेबसाइट उसका नाम है digillocker.gov.in। सो इसका डेफिनेशन देखने से आपको इट इज़ ए की इनिशिएटिव अंडर डिजिटल इंडिया प्रोग्राम। ओके, सो इफ यू गो टू द definition also, so it is an DigiLocker is an Indian digitized online service provided by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Okay, how to use this one I will show you. First you click on the website digillocker.gov.in. Gov means government, .in means India. Okay, wait for some time. So you can lock your certificates like Aadhaar card, you can put safe side, driving license and vehicle registers also, your Aadhaar card. Now you can keep your this website or certificates also in your digital locker website. Okay, for example your TET certificate, 10th class migration certificate, 12th class, your class 10 passing certificate, 12th class NEET rank, NEET mark sheet, all this you can keep in this website. Okay, so coming to the back, and I will show you. So coming to our state also, so transport, income tax, NIOS, petroleum, all this. So this Andhra Pradesh, coming to the Andhra Pradesh, Me Seva, transport department, registration of vehicles, you can keep your license in here also, driving license. Okay, now so if you are first time you can sign up. If you are already there you can go to the sign in. So for example, if you are first time, just you go to the sign up. Okay, enter your name here, your date of birth, month, year, gender you select a male or female. Okay, enter your register mobile number and you can put your password also 6 digit and your email ID also, and here you can give the Aadhaar number. Okay, after all this, yes, you click on the submit button. They will send the OTP and after sending your user and password will be successful. Okay, so if you already done all these things, click on the sign button. Okay, here you give the sign in button. So here I am giving my mobile number. Okay, you can use username also. So here I am giving you mobile number and you can, so here I am selecting my accounts and password also. Just you click on the sign in button. Okay, so you will get an OTP. Before using this one, make sure you have mobile with you and you enter the OTP. So the full form OTP is one time password, and so make sure that your Aadhaar number is also registered with that, so that you can have the correct OTP. Okay, okay, here I already uploaded 3 documents to my personal digital locker. So if you observe here, so issued documents, so this is my Aadhaar card and this is my PAN verification and this is LGB gas also you can keep, and here uploaded. If you want to upload it, the documents also you can upload. Okay, issued documents also, and this is the dashboard. So these are the certificates. Okay, get your digital driving license, get your digital vehicle RC, get your PAN verification record. So here I will show you the how to keep your PAN. So this is my PAN verification. You select the income tax, PAN, you give your name as it is in the Aadhaar card, you give your date of birth, mail, and here you enter your PAN number, and PAN number also same, and make sure that both in Aadhaar PAN number name should be same. Okay, and if you click here you will get the document. Here I will show you my documents. Okay, so this also you can show you. For example, here I will show you the PAN verification. Okay, see, income tax department PAN verification record. This is my PAN number, my name, mail, and my date of birth verified on like this, and it is showing time with date also. Okay, if you want to check Aadhaar card also, so whenever you forgot any documents in if you are outside, you can take it online also from. Okay, we show Aadhaar card also. So this is my Aadhaar card, this is my name. If you observe here, both in Aadhaar card and PAN number, PAN card, names are same. Okay, and this is called the mask Aadhaar card. So here am I hiding my whole number. So this is my name, this is my Aadhaar card. Similarly, LPG also, gas subscription, that also you can. It's taking some time, wait, up to it I will explain you. Issue says request. So if you want to change your settings also, go to the profile. So this is name, and if you want to change the mobile also, you can change the mobile. If you want to update digital or profile to the latest Aadhaar, that also you can click, or else go to the account settings. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, this is my mail ID. Language also you can like both. It is only two language, English and Hindi. So English it is there. Okay, so in this way you can use the digital locker. If you want to observe which are the departments using the digital certificates, you can click on the issued uploaded documents or shared documents. Okay, I'm not sharing anything. So dashboard. So here 177 issued organizations are there. It will show the list of the organizations which are issuing the digital certificates. Okay, Aadhaar, Ministry of Road Transport, showing income tax, LIC, PF, Provident Fund, Maharashtra State Board. I will select this, all this you are center of this is very important, CBSE. Okay, so if you are belong to the which state, you can check your state also. So coming to my state, Me Seva, it is there. So in this way you can use the digital locker to save your all certificate digitally. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video to your friends so that you can useful to others also, and comment and subscribe to my channel. And after completion you can log out also. In this way you can log out. Thank you.